Hey everyone, welcome back to Mr. Adam channel. I'm Sarah, and today we're going to talk about a simple yet universal topic, the weather.
That's right. Hi, everyone. I'm Adam. It's funny how people all over the world love to talk about the weather. It's one of those topics that connects us, no matter where we are.
Exactly. It's like an easy gateway to a conversation. You can talk about it at a coffee shop, at work, or even in the elevator when you don't know what else to say. Just look up at the sky and boom, instant small talk.
That's right. But you know what? I think talking about the weather is more than just small talk. It's emotional. The way we describe the sky often reflects our inner feelings.
That's a great quote. I mean, when the sun shines, we feel lighter and happier. But when the sky is gray and heavy, sometimes we just want to be quiet or curl up with a warm drink.
Exactly. So let's get started.
Hey, Sarah. The sky looks clear today. I love mornings like this.
Me too. The sunlight feels warm and soft. It makes everything look friendly.
When the sun comes out like this, I think it's a perfect day for a walk. The air feels fresh.
I agree. The breeze is gentle, not too strong. I would call it breezy in a pleasant way.
Breezy mornings are nice because the heat doesn't build up too quickly. It's warm but comfortable.
Yes, and the light is golden. Colors seem brighter. Even small things feel more alive.
Yesterday was different. It rained in the afternoon, heavy and sudden.
I remember. The rain started without much warning. First, a few drops, then downpour.
The sound on the roof felt rhythmic, calming almost. I watched the street get shiny with water.
Rain can be dramatic. The city looked like it had changed its clothes, everything darker and cleaner.
And the smell after the rain, that fresh, earthy scent, was wonderful.
That smell always makes me think of childhood. Walking home with a friend, shoes wet, laughing.
Storms can be intense, too. Last month, we had thunder that shook the windows.
Yes, lightning lit the sky like quicksilver lines, a powerful display from nature.
I felt small watching it, but also safe inside. Storms remind me that nature is bigger than daily worries.
They do. And sometimes they clear the air. The next day, everything feels sharper and cleaner.
Windy days have their own personality. I like when the wind plays with leaves and umbrellas.
Wind can be playful or wild. A soft gust can lift pages from your hands. A strong gust can make walking difficult.
On very windy days, I often see people holding hats, hair blown everywhere. It's a funny sight.
True. Wind also changes the light. Clouds move quickly. Shadows chase each other.
Speaking of clouds, overcast skies can feel cozy. Gray light makes colors softer.
Overcast afternoons are good for quiet work, for reading. The light doesn't distract.
But long gray stretches can make some people feel slow or tired.
It affects mood.
That's right. Some people feel energetic on bright days and calm on cloudy ones. Weather touches emotions.
There are also those crystal clear cold mornings when you can see your breath.
I love that image. Visible breath hanging in the air like a small cloud.
Cold days call for scarves and hot drinks. The cold makes simple comforts sweeter.
Snow is magical when it falls gently. It quiets the world and smooths the noise.
A fresh snowfall creates a silence that feels like a pause. Footprints draw small stories across the white.
And children's laughter, making snowmen and throwing snowballs. It fills the cold air with warmth.
Then there are hot, humid days when everything feels heavy. The air clings to skin.
Humid heat can be uncomfortable. It makes you seek shade, cold water, a cool breeze.
I remember a summer when the heat felt endless. Even at night, the city felt warm.
Nights like that make sleep restless. A fan or open window feels essential.
Rainy seasons have their rhythm too. Steady, long, sometimes gentle, sometimes fierce.
In some places, the rain defines the year. Planting, harvest, festivals. Weather shapes rhythms of life.
Seasons change mood as well. Spring brings hope and green shoots everywhere.
Spring feels like a fresh start. Flowers, new leaves, a sense of possibility.
Autumn has its own beauty, with cooler air and leaves turning orange and red.
The sound of leaves underfoot is a comforting, earthy sound. It signals gentle endings and quiet reflection.
People often say weather is small talk, but I think it's more. It's a way to share how we feel without speaking too directly.
Exactly. Saying, "It's a beautiful day," can mean you feel light, open, ready. Saying, "It's gloomy," can signal a quieter mood.
Weather words also give us useful details. If I say it's drizzling, you know to carry a light cover. If I say it's pouring, you think umbrella and hurry.
Weather words also give us useful details. If I say it's drizzling, you know to carry a light cover. If I say it's pouring, you think umbrella and hurry.
I like when people describe not just the weather, but the senses, the smell, the temperature on the skin, the sound.
Yes, saying the air smells fresh after rain or the wind is sharp today makes a description vivid.
People also use weather in metaphors. Cloud 9 for happiness, under the weather when someone is unwell.
Those phrases come from lived experience. We use natural images to describe inner states.
And we can listen to weather stories. The storm came out of nowhere becomes a memory to share, like a small adventure.
Stories about weather often hold simple moments. Being late because of rain, meeting someone under an umbrella, a sunset watched in silence.
Even a short sentence can carry a mood. It's chilly, or the sunlight is warm. They open windows into someone's day.
I like when people add tiny details. The wind is cool and carries the scent of jasmine. It turns a fact into a moment.
For travel, weather matters too. A sunny day can make a new city glow, while rain can change plans in an instant.
Travelers learn to adapt. An unexpected rain can lead to a cozy cafe and new conversations.
The unpredictability of weather teaches flexibility. Sometimes plans shift and new experiences begin.
It also shows patience. Waiting out a storm or enjoying the sudden calm afterward can be gentle practice.
In the end, weather is always changing. It moves through bright, gray, windy, calm, hot, cold, and with it, our days shift.
And with each change comes an invitation to notice. A sunbeam through the leaves, the smell of wet pavement, the hush after snowfall.
Those simple observations can make ordinary days feel rich.
They remind us that every day has its own small story, written across the sky.
I kept thinking about our last talk. This morning felt calm after the rain.
The air smelled so clean, it made me breathe slowly.
The trees looked brighter, like someone had polished them.
Wet branches catch the light in a soft way.
After a storm, the city always seems quieter, like it just finished a deep exhale.
Yes, even the colors look clearer. The pavement, the sky, the leaves.
Rain can feel gentle or fierce. Both have their own kind of beauty.
Gentle rain is like a lullaby. Heavy rain feels powerful and alive.
Storms remind me that some forces are bigger than our daily routines.
They make me pause. I like being inside, watching, feeling safe.
Wind changes everything fast. One moment calm, the next everything moves.
I enjoy the playful wind that lifts little papers and flutters curtains.
But strong wind can be wild. People hold on to hats, umbrellas flip.
It's funny to see, but it also shows how weather can surprise us.
Clouds tell stories. A clear sky feels open. A sky full of clouds feels thoughtful.
Overcast light softens faces and colors. It makes quiet moments feel richer.
On those gray days, I enjoy simple things. A warm drink, a good book, slow steps.
Me too. Gray days invite reflection. They're gentle reminders to slow down.
Then there are mornings so cold you can see your breath. They make you appreciate small warmth.
Scarves, gloves, a hot cup, those little comforts feel like treasures.
Snow turns the world into a storybook. Everything muffles and looks new.
I love how snow makes footsteps look like tiny discoveries across a white sheet.
Heat can be loud in its own way. Cicadas, bright light, heavy air.
Humidity makes the day feel thick. It asks for shade and slow movement.
Each season brings a different rhythm. Spring is hopeful. Autumn is reflective.
Summer is full of energy. Winter invites closeness. Each rhythm teaches something.
People use weather to talk about feelings, too. It's a soft bridge to real emotions.
Yes, saying, "I'm feeling cloudy today," can mean you're a bit lost or tired.
And saying, "I'm on cloud 9" shares a simple joy without too many words.
I like how weather phrases are kind. They let us express mood gently.
Small weather details help plans. If I say it's drizzling, you know a light jacket is fine.
If I say it's pouring, you know to take a big umbrella or wait a bit.
Travelers learn fast. Dress for the weather, but also be open to surprise detours.
An unexpected rain can mean a warm cafe and a new conversation.
That's the magic. Weather alters plans, but often opens simple joys.
Listening to someone describe the sky is like seeing their day through their eyes.
It connects people. Even when they are miles apart, they can share the same sky.
I like that image. Many skies, one world.
Weather teaches patience. Storms end, clouds pass, light returns.
And that teaches hope. After rough weather, there's always a softer morning.
So notice small things today. A warm ray, a cool breeze, the smell after rain.
Those small things are the moments we remember later.
Rain or shine, there's always something to appreciate in the sky.
Always. Thank you so much for joining today's lesson, and it was great to see you. Stay healthy and keep practicing.
If you find this video useful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss the next English lessons. Your support means a lot to us and helps us to be more motivated to create more interesting and useful content, helping you speak English naturally and confidently every day. Thank you again, and see you in the next video.
We will be back soon with another interesting episode. Bye!